Welcome my YouTube channel Dream Bikes Hub. Is the CB500X top heavy? Top heavy the CB500X is not, and the fact that it carries much of its weight low in the frame makes it easy to maneuver at low speeds, which is certainly beneficial around town. What is the RPM of the CB500X? The rate at which this motorcycle picks the acceleration makes it quite responsive and fun to ride. The engine delivers a horsepower of 34.5 kilowatts at 8,600 revolutions per minute and a 31.7 lb-ft at 6,500 revolutions per minute. Is a Honda CB500X fast enough? There's more than enough power to cruise at 70 miles per hour, and when the traffic grinds to a halt, there are few bikes better suited to scything through lines of traffic than the Honda. What is the top speed of the CB500X in km? Its 35 kilowatts of power and 57 nanometers of torque are enough to take the middleweight bike to an indicated top speed of slightly more than 170 kilometers per hour if there's a slight downhill. Is the CB500X good for off-road? In truth, off-road is not the natural habitat for the engine with its fizzy and rev-happy nature, but it's by no means out of its depth either. It'll chug around at very low revs happily enough, and the power and torque are delivered in a nice linear manner that makes it entertainingly accessible. The CB500X liquid-cooled. The CB500X is 471 cc's, 8-valve, liquid-cooled, parallel twin-cylinder layout offers a well-proportioned balance of physical size and willing, enjoyable power output, with an energetic, high-revving character and zippy top end. I hope this video more informative and helpful for you. Please press bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel and watching